All right, welcome back. Lesson 2 of the algebra concepts is writing the table from a graph. The objective is, given a graph of a linear function, the student will be able to create an XY table that represents it to 100% accuracy. Okay, in example 1, you're going to use the given graph function to complete the table of values. Okay, first of all, this is called a coordinate plane. And your line that you have on there is called a linear function because it forms a line. All right, on the coordinate plane, you have two axes. You have your x-axis right here, which we label that x. That is always going to be the first number that you give. The second number that you give is the number on the y-axis. Okay, and those are the numbers that go up and down. Okay, so when we fill out this chart here, you have your x value and you have your y value. Okay, we're going to first be looking at this first point right here. Okay, so starting at the origin, which is at the point 0, okay, we want to tell how many left or right we have to go. Okay, well, to get to this point right here, we have to go left 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, when we go left 4, anytime you go left, it's like a number line where that's -4. Okay, and then from there, we have to go up 1, 2, 3 to get to that point. And when we go up, it's positive. If we had gone down, it would be negative, just like a thermometer. Okay, the second point we're going to look at is this one right here. Okay, starting once again at the origin. Okay, we have to go left 1, 2, 3. So we put -3. And then you have to go up 1. So you put a 1 underneath the y. That's called an XY table. Okay, looking at the next point. Starting at the origin, you have to go left only 1 this time. So that is a -1. From there, we have to this time go down 1, 2, 3. We went down 3, so that needs to be -3. Okay, and the very last point, starting at the origin, to get to this point right here, you don't have to go left and right at all. So you put a 0 for the x. But you do have to go down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So your y value is -5. Okay, these are called ordered pairs. -4, 3 gives us the location of that point right there. It's sort of like playing a battleship game. Okay, going on to example 2. Once again, you're given a graph, a linear function graph, and they just want you to label what the points are. It doesn't really matter what point you start with. Typically, you start with the point furthest to the left, though. Okay, this point, start at the origin again. You need to go left 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm sorry, actually, that's just 3. 1, 2, 3. So we go left 3, and then you have to go down 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so your ordered pair is -3, -4. Next point is this one. Okay, for that one, you have to go to the right 2, and then you have to go up 1. So your ordered pair is 2, 1. Okay, the third point on here, starting at the origin, you have to go right 1, 2, 3, 4, and you have to go up 1, 2, 3. So your ordered pair is 4, 3. Okay, the very last point, starting at the origin, you have to go right 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Since you're going right and up, they are both positive. 6, 5 is your ordered pair. Okay, at this point, stop the video and finish up example 3. Then you can come back and check with me. Okay, example 3. Okay, the first point right here, you went left and right 0, and you had to go down 3. So your ordered pair was 0, -3. The next point, right here, starting at the origin, you had to go right 1. But then you didn't have to go up and down at all. So there is no value for y. So we just put it as a 0. The third point, you had to go right 1, 2. So your x value is 2. And you have to go up 1, 2, 3. So your y value is 3. Okay, and the very last point, you go right 1, 2, 3. And up a positive 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so what you've done is I've given you a graph and you have made the XY table from that. Okay, if you understand, you may move on to the next lesson. If not, go back and rewatch the video.